So welcome to this webinar again. Very happy to be the host for this webinar on airtightness testing and status and trends in competent tester schemes in Denmark, Ireland, and Sweden. I'm Rémi Carrié. I'm a consultant for INIVE, and I will give you a few words of introduction before we start with the presentations of this webinar. So first of all, why this webinar? So the key reason is because building airtightness is a key concern for nearly zero energy buildings. And I would like to encourage you to have a look at an overview article which is published on the BuildUp website, where you will have additional information on the EPBD recast context and why this is giving increasing pressure on building and ductware airtightness, and what are the measures that are taken in the member states in order to comply with these requirements. So you can download this article from the BuildUp website. Of course, the good news is that there exists a range of commercially available products to achieve good building airtightness. And for this, I would like to encourage you to have a look at our webinars on TightVent, on building airtightness solutions. So you can find them on our TightVent website. So this is a good news, of course, but on the other hand, improving building airtightness remains a major challenge for the building sector. In many countries, it implies major changes in building traditions. And, of course, one major change lies in the control as the regulations evolve. Well, in fact, when we're talking about the evolution of the regulations, you may have noticed that more and more countries require explicitly airtightness testing for specific programs or for a wide range of buildings, or they encourage airtightness testing through various measures. And as a consequence, several hundreds of thousands of buildings are tested every year now in the European Union. And of course, it raises the issue and the question of the quality of the airtightness measurement. Of course, we don't want to distort competition because of poor quality measurements, and this becomes an increasing concern. And because of this, it boosts the development of competent tester schemes. This is a particular concern to the Airtightness Testers Association Committee, which has been set up and hosted within TightVent. So at present we have participants from several countries which are shown here. So Belgium, Czech Republic, Denmark, France, Germany, Sweden, UK. We have also guests from Estonia, Ireland, Latvia, Poland. We have also some contacts with other countries which are interested, we know, in those issues, although they are not very active in the association yet. But it shows that these questions are really of interest to many countries. So the scope of the Airtightness Association Committee includes airtightness requirements in the countries involved, competent tester schemes, as I mentioned before, also applicable standards and guidelines for testing, and the collection of relevant guidance and training documents. If you are interested to join this Airtightness Association Committee, I would like to encourage you to have a look at the TightVent website, where you will have additional information. So the objective of this webinar is to give information on initiatives taken to improve the quality of airtightness tests. And today we would like to have a focus on 3 countries, Denmark, Ireland, and Sweden. We've had in the past 2 other webinars focusing on other countries. but today we want to focus on these particular countries where we've seen recent interesting developments, which we thought were worth sharing with you. So the agenda is the following. So we'll have a presentation from Denmark with Walter Sebastian, then a presentation from Ireland with Mark Shirley, and then a presentation from Eva Sekander from Sweden. And we will end our webinar around 11:45. So some practical aspects. You will be able to listen to the speakers. You will be able to ask written questions, and we will collect those questions and then ask the panel to answer them during this webinar. So again, I would like to thank our TightVent partners for supporting us in these activities. And now I would like to give the floor back to Alexander, who will get you through the technical aspects of this webinar in order to ask questions and interact with the panel. Thank you.